Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some awesome deals that I got when I went couponing today, and I also got some free makeup, so stay tuned and I will show you what I did to get free makeup and all these great deals. First I have these 2-dial body washes. You have to get the 21 fluid ounce ones, and I had a coupon for buy one get one free, and IBOTTA had $1 back on each of these, so I ended up getting these for $1 each. Here is the $1 back rebate on IBOTTA. I will have my referral code for you guys below. This is an awesome app and I use it to double up my coupons, so I'll use my paper coupons in store and you can go in and get the $1 back rebate on IBOTTA. And then for my free makeup item, I was at Target once again and they had this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. It's a stick foundation. It was on clearance for $2.98 and I had a $3 off a Maybelline foundation item, so I got free foundation here. It's not my shade, as you can tell, but I can definitely use this as a contour, so this is a great item for that, especially since it was free. Why not? Next items I got were part of the spend $15 and get a $5 gift card from Target. It was for shampoos and conditioners from specific brands. This one was $3.49 and then this other shampoo was $3.99. This Garnier Fructis conditioner was $2.99, and then this Garnier Fructis shampoo, it's a bigger bottle here. It came with this free item. This was actually $4.99. And I had a coupon for $3 off 2 Pantene products. I had a $4 off 2 Garnier Fructis products. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate it for you guys and tell you guys what I actually paid for this. So adding it all up, the shampoos and conditioners I all got for $15.46, which makes it to that $15 you gotta spend. And I had the coupon, so I'm gonna subtract $7. So I spent $8.46 and I got that $5 gift card. So everything that I got here is equaling out to $3.46 for all of this. So all of this, $3.46 altogether. Today is actually July 16th, and this promotion at Target is going to run until July 20th, which is Saturday, because Sunday is when they switch everything. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my couponing experience. This is my first time doing a video on this, and hit that big thumbs up button if you like these videos. I will definitely do more in the future if you guys like them. I will have my last video right up here in the corner. You can click that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos by me, and I will see you in my next video.